Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Chinese BRET token. Now this token is on the base chain. This token is actually trending #1 right now on DEX tools in the base section. It's up 142,554% right now in the past 24 hours. It is a very brand new token though, so a lot of these tokens when they come out right away, obviously they pump like crazy if they start doing well. So just be aware it is a new token. Ticker symbol is CHRETT. Now this token was created because the original BRET token is a very super popular base token. BRET is a Matt Furie character from the Boysclub, and you know the Andy token's very popular. Pepe obviously very popular. Land Wolf, Andy, Bird Dog, you name it. And so BRET very popular. The BRET token is actually trending #1 and 2 on DEX Screener. So yeah, needless to say, still doing very well. The BRET token's actually up 23% today, and that token's been around a long time. But anyways, we're going to go over the Chinese BRET token today. We're going to talk about the information on it and how you can get it. And we're going to do all that in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So it's kind of a similar picture. If you look at the, there's a token called Pepe, which is spelled, I could be pronouncing it wrong, but it's spelled P-E-I-P-E-I. And it's a play off of Pepe, which is P-E-P-E. They just added some I's there. And the Pepe token was doing very well. It still could be doing very well. I haven't checked recently. But that token is like a Chinese Pepe, basically. So this token is, similar to that. And they're doing a Chinese version of BRET. So I'm assuming that's what it's a play off of. They saw that the Pepe token was doing very well, and then they made this token. I don't know if it's the same people or different people or whatever, but that's where I'm assuming it originates from. Now, Chinese BRET actually just came out 18 hours ago, it says. One thing I noticed though right away is I don't see a liquidity lock. So some of these new tokens can be very sketchy. Ooh, and they don't have very good audits either. So I'd be aware of, just totally be aware right off the bat before I even start talking about Chinese BRET here, that there's a bunch of issues in the audit. They didn't get a good token sniffer score. And sketchy. Sometimes tokens, they have a really big market cap because they're doing well. And some of them, they have a big market cap for other reasons that, I'm not saying this token is a scam. I'm just saying be aware that there is a bunch of issues here. So #1, first thing, I don't see a liquidity lock. Their market cap is $32.6 million. They have a fully diluted valuation of $32.6 million. Now on DEX Screener, it says they have $832,000 in liquidity. And when the liquidity is locked, they'll have a circle with a lock button on it. It'll tell you how much of the liquidity is locked. There is actually no button there at all. So it's safe to assume no liquidity is locked. And if you go over to DEX Tools, they're still trending #5 right now on DEX Tools. I don't see a lock button over there either, because sometimes, maybe it's not on DEX screener, but it is on DEX Tools, but this one's not lit up either, so neither one of them. Now, they only have 293 holders so far. So again, brand new token, just came out, it's trending, but, it's, and over 150,000% in the green right now. But, that's because it just came out. Now, they have a total supply and a circulating supply of 1 billion tokens. And according to their base scan, there's 18 decimal places on this token. Now, there is some sketchy audits, so just be aware of that. But if you did want to get this token, first of all, you would need a wallet like a Coinbase wallet, Trust wallet, or a MetaMask wallet. You would fund that wallet with ETH, then you would bridge it to Base, and then using the contract address that you could find on DEX Tools or DEX Screener or their Base Scan, you would trade your Base for this token using that contract address. Now, I actually don't even see a web page. I don't see, maybe this is, no, I don't see a web page. I don't even see a Twitter, Telegram. I don't see a web page or any socials on this token at all. So just be aware of that. So little to no information on here at all. And I mean, one of them could exist. Also, it has a bad community trust score. So it's got, out of 18 votes, only 27.8% community trust score. So be aware of that. Now, there's 2 warnings here on DEX Tools. So let's go over that first. On DEX Tools, they have a Go Plus and a quick Intel security audit. It says contract verified, no honeypot, no buy and sell tax, so you don't have to worry about slippage, no proxy contract, no mintable tokens, no blacklisting. So no, all the way down. Now there is whitelisting. So on Quick Intel Security and Go Plus Security, they say there's whitelisting. And also Quick Intel says there's quote unquote other risks. Now if we go over to DEX Tools, they have different audits over there. And over there, it says there's 2 issues on their Go Plus Security audit. It says ownership is not renounced. So that's a big warning right there. And then it says has whitelisting, so it agrees with the other one. And then Quick Intel also says has whitelisting. But then they only got 25 out of 100 token sniffer score, which is a very low score. So just be aware of that. 25 out of 100 community trust score is very low. And they got whitelisting, and maybe ownership is not even renounced. So very sketchy. Be aware of that. Now, I am going to review some other base chain tokens today, so stay tuned for those. One of them is the Chomp token. I posted a couple of them last night and this morning as well. So a lot of base meme coins out there. So although this one, is very sketchy, some other ones might not be. So check out the other videos I'm posting. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about Chinese Brett? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Check out all the referral codes down there, and y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.